In our series of dissection, we present to you another patient who was referred to us with a sort of blindness.
My name is Shomu and I stay near Howrah, Kaufman. I just slept in the morning at night and I woke up and I started acting funny. Then I consulted a local doctor. He said nothing is wrong, just if anything happens in next 3-4 days, you just go for a checkup. But then somehow I felt that it's not working it out, so I came here.
So he was referred to initially to a neurologist in a different hospital who did a study and found that he had an aortic dissection of his neck arteries, and this caused a problem of the blood supply into his brain and the area of optic nerves where there was less blood supply, and thus he suffered from temporary blindness.
He had a extremely infectious personality. Not only to me, because I was obviously I was scared, but the kind of confidence that he gave to my family members, that was awesome. Well, I was okay. I said I could feel that okay, I'm in the right hand, and things are going to be all right.
So when they got a CT scan done of the aorta, of the brain along with the neck arteries, they found that there is a dissection flap moving around in the ascending aorta and was referred to us for an acute dissection surgery. As we always do, we found that this is a type A dissection restricted to the ascending aorta and to the arch, and we thought of doing an emergency repair. So we did the operation in a short period of time, and we repaired his ascending aorta and the aortic root along with the repair of the aortic arch, and he got back his vision and neurological functions.
I'm normal, almost normal. I don't smoke anymore. Otherwise, I'm okay.
So immediately after the surgery, he is doing well. I think he has been cured for life. So he also underwent a Bentall operation or aortic root replacement with aortic arch repair with reversal of all the symptoms he had. He is expected to lead a very normal life.
A very big thank you for Dr. Mukherjee. To Dr. Sanyal also. I wish I could meet him once, but unfortunately that's going to happen. To the nursing staff, the way they took care during the initial 2-3 days, because I didn't know what was happening to me, but the way they took care, and that was awesome. So thank you. It goes to everybody.